and pretty. I think it was very tough thing to say. But anyways, with Imran Hashmi, you expect that. If you go there and Imran Hashmi is not doing that, I mean, you will come out very disappointed.
Guys, it's really exciting being here, and I think we've all been huge fans of Azhar sir. So it's wonderful being a part of a film where I get to play a real life character for the very first time for me, and I see Noreen as a very beautiful mystery that's going to unfold in front of you when you watch the film. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy it just as much as I did, and I love the trailer. I hope you guys did.
Okay, I firstly have to apologize because I'm a little bit of a villain of the piece. So I think Tony couldn't find a villain, so I was made into one. I also think, I mean, this is my first film with Balaji, and of course my second with Tony, but my first with Imran. And I think at the end of this film, I am the only actress that he's worked with who he hasn't kissed. So we shall leave that.
The one that got away.
The one that got away.
No, that's the secret that they get to know only once the film releases.
Yeah, you never know. Yeah, there might be like
Never
a
know.
surprise. No.
Would like to call Mr. Samir Nair on the stage. And Ekta Kapoor, the most important lady. Without her, it would have been very, very difficult. And one more important lady, Sneha Jain.
देखिए बहुत सारे challenges थे जब हम research कर रहे थे तो obviously जब phone call आया जब एकता ने मुझे phone किया तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि इन पे इनकी लाइफ में फिल्म बन रही है लेकिन तभी उसके बाद वो खुशी कहीं डर में बदल गई क्योंकि इनकी लाइफ इतनी इवेंटफुल रही है एक तो imbibing a character on screen जो फिल्म देखने वाले हैं जिस तरह बात करते हैं जिस तरह चलते हैं और जो मेन चीज़ थी वो थी उनकी क्रिकेटिंग स्किल्स क्योंकि मैं इतना अच्छा क्रिकेटर नहीं हूँ आई मीन हम सब इंडियंस हैं तो यहाँ पे बैट बॉल रख दो तो हम सब खेलें वी स्टार्ट प्लेइंग इट बट एक फॉर्म जो है एक टेक्निकलिटी जो है वो मुझ में नहीं था लेकिन अजहर भाई हैज़ बीन वेरी पेशेंट उन्होंने मुझे 2-3 महीने तक ट्रेनिंग दी एंड ही मेड इट अ लॉट ईजियर
अजहर सर
जी बोलिए
हेलो 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 अजहर सर आपसे सवाल है इधर आपके स्ट्रेट सीधा अजहर सर इधर
Oh, he's the one in the India.
Yes,
India.
yes, India.
Yeah, T-shirt.
कहाँ पर अच्छा बहुत दूर है
अजहर सर सबसे पहला सवाल आपसे है कि आप सफ़ेद हेलमेट क्यों पहनते थे इसका जवाब चाहिए सेकेंडली एक सवाल और है कि एक शॉट आपका है जो आप फ्लिक करते थे क्या कहते हैं उसको जो वीवीएस लक्ष्मण भी खेलते हैं लेफ्ट लेग ड्राइव पे तो वो शॉट आपने ट्रेलर में नहीं दिखाया हमें तो वो शॉट क्या फिल्म में होगा आपके
देखिए पहली बात तो वाइट हेलमेट इसलिए मैं पहनता था क्योंकि उस टाइम पे हमें जो भी हेलमेट मिलती थी हम पहन लेते थे पर उस टाइम पे कोई ऐसा रूल नहीं था कि ब्लू हेलमेट ही पहने या और कोई अलग हेलमेट पहने तो इसी वजह से मुझे सफ़ेद कलर अच्छा लगता था क्योंकि सफ़ेद कपड़े होते थे सफ़ेद जूता होता था सफ़ेद पैतावे होते सफ़ेद पैंट सफ़ेद ग्लव्स तो उसकी वजह से मैं सफ़ेद हेलमेट पहनता था बट लेकिन जो आप फ्लिक शॉट के जो बारे में बात कर रहे हैं मुझे याद नहीं है मैं मुझे कैसे खेलता था मैं तो भूल गया हूँ लेकिन आप जब फिल्म में देखेंगे तो शायद इमरान भाई मेरे से अच्छा खेल रहे हो
एक्चुअली वो फ्लिक शॉट है इट गोज बाय वेरी फास्ट टोनी यू सेकंड दैट अगर आप फास्ट कट्स देखें एंड में एंड ऑब्वियसली इन द फिल्म इट हैज अ बिट ऑफ लेंथ
Imran, yes. Imran. Yes. On your left. Sorry. Imran towards your right.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yes, hi.
The trailer really looks amazing. You know,
Thank
it has a mix of everything. Basically, what you all want to show through his life and through his journey till now.
Yes.
What has been your family's reaction to the trailer, to your look?
Well, they're
Do
going to
they
see
find
it.
convincing?
They're going to see, everyone's going to see it soon. But I'm sure they're going to love it because, like you said, it has everything in it. It has, the look of the film, the emotion, And this is where we were actually, this was a huge responsibility on, I think, the entire team, that we were putting his life down on celluloid. And that's a huge responsibility. Eventually, you know, there is an audience for whom we're making the film. But for me, it would be a battle won if, whenever Azhar Bhai sees the film, when the lights dim in the theater, and he watches the film and he comes out and says, you know, you've done me proud. And this is how I would envision my life. That would be the best, you know, bit of praise that I can get for the film. So I'm waiting for that day when he sees the first copy, which will be out soon.
Imran,
I would like to call upon Nargis Fakhri on the stage, please.
Hey, what's up?
Sorry for my tardiness. I'm here.
Well done.
Hi, nice to see you.
Imran, what was that one lesson you learned from Azhar's life?
I think apart from the film, it's just when I met him, obviously I have idolized him for the longest time. You know, I'd seen him in the 80s and 90s. And what struck me when I met him, and you know, we were doing the research, and I had actually compiled 100 questions for him. And I used to keep bugging him every day with these questions. And I just felt that here there was a man who was extremely frank about the way he has been, he's led his life. And, you know, it's just, sometimes you want to see yourself the way you want to see yourself, not in reality. And he was extremely cordial, he was extremely frank about those things, and a very, very sensitive person. Those are the things I admire about Azhar Bhai. And I've spent a lot of time with him over the past 1.5 years. And a lot of things can be said, but these are the two things: a very frank person and a very sensitive person.
And any similarity you find between you and Azhar Bhai?
Well, I've tried to imbibe the similarities. I don't know.
Flick shot?
Flick shot. That was the toughest, actually. My wrists, I had to ice them every day because it was very tough. I used to work out, I used to lift weights, and because Azhar Bhai used to not lift weights, he said that he's against that when you were playing at that time. And there was a certain agility and a flexibility, so I had to like detrain for like 3 months and just train to get that flick shot. So it took me 4 months to get that. So it was almost a choreographed action, and we eventually got it.
Hi.
I think it's been pretty long time now, so I don't blame anybody. I think that it was destiny which had me on the mat. But anyways, to come out of that, you know, it was very, very pleasing. I was very happy for my family, for my son, my father, my mother, everybody, and all the fans, all the people who really, helped me in whatever way they can. They came in hordes to watch the matches, and I think I felt that, you know, it was the right thing when I went to the court, when we won the case. That was icing on the cake. Correct. Imran shares sizzling chemistry with everybody.
I sizzle with everyone.
Yeah. That's not a problem. There's nothing new for him. Ask me something new. Well, I think with Imran Hashmi, actually it's not a love-making scene. You know, it was and pretty. I think it was a very tough thing to say. But anyways, with Imran Hashmi, you expect that. You know, if you go there and if Imran Hashmi is not doing that, I mean, you will come out very disappointed.
Hi, Ekta.
Don't you reckon?
Hi, Ekta over here, towards your right. Ekta, towards your right, over here. Many players, towards your right, over here. Are you planning to keep a special screening of the film for the cricket team or the players who played under Azhar sir?
So that's completely going to be decided later. But I'm sure we will show a lot of players the film because it's quite a celebration not only of cricket but of what happens when you are doing so well and suppose one game goes wrong, you get blamed for so many things. So yeah, a lot of cricketers will be seeing the film. But many don't want to see the film. I think many would not want to see the film. So yeah, that will be there too.
देखिए मैं सबसे बात करके डिसीजन लिया कभी अकेला डिसीजन लेना देखिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है तो मैं कैप्टन हूँ तो मैं पूरे 11 लोगों का पूरा व्यू पॉइंट लेके देख के उनसे बात करके तो जब भी डिसीजन लेना था। आपको याद होगा कि 93 वर्ल्ड हीरो कप में हम लोग जब ने मैच साउथ अफ्रीका के साथ जीता था, तो हमारी आप देखे थे लास्ट ओवर था, 5 रन बाकी थे, तो हमारी पूरी टीम जमा हो गई थी और पूरी टीम का डिसीजन था कि तेंदुलकर बॉलिंग करना, तो तेंदुलकर ने बॉलिंग किया। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि सभी से एडवाइस लिया हूँ मैं, तो इसी वजह से आज ये फिल्म आई है।